Day on the Farm by Luis Dato. I've found you fruits of sweetest taste, and found you bunches of duha growing by the hill. I've bound your arms and hair with vine, and bound you with rare wildflowers, but you are crying still. I brought you all the forest ferns, and brought you wrapped in green leaves, cicadas singing sweet. I've caught you in my arms an hour, and taught you love's secret where the mountain spirits meet. Your smiles have died, and there is no replying to all endearment, and my gifts are vain. Come with me, love. You are too old for crying. The church bells ring, and I hear drops of rain.